From a war-torn region to roaring engines, one man dared to build faster than defeat. Meet Dr. Samuel Onunaka Mbakwe, De Sam, the first democratically elected governor of Old Imo State, 1979 to 1983. A lawyer, a wartime administrator during Biafra, and a leader his own people nicknamed the Weeping Governor. In 1981, he established the Imo State University, now in Uturu, Abia State. The institution later became Abia State University after boundary changes in 1991 when Abia State was created, but it planted the seed for higher education across the old Imo State. He built the College of Technology, Nekede, today's Federal Polytechnic of Nekede. He championed the construction of Owerri's airport, built with local community effort and contributions, now named Sam Mbakwe Airport in his honor. He set up over 100 industrial and commercial enterprises, including the Imo Tile industry and the iconic Concord Hotel. He revived and industrialized Ada Palm, a plantation first established in 1953 by building its processing mill in 1983, turning it into a major employer of labor. He drove rural electrification and launched over 169 community water projects across the state. The nickname wasn't a myth. When floods devastated parts of Imo State, Mbakwe personally brought President Shehu Shagari to see the destruction and wept openly in front of him. That moment defined how his people remembered him, a leader who felt the weight of their suffering. He was re-elected in 1983, but his second term was cut short within months by General Buhari's military coup. But Sam Mbakwe didn't disappear. Years later, he returned to public life as a senator representing the Okigwe zone of Imo State. Decades later, leaders across the southeast, including sitting governors, still cite Sam Mbakwe as a benchmark for what regional leadership can look like. Not because he had access to unlimited resources, but because he built with what he had. Sam Mbakwe is more than just a name on an airport. He is a standard. If one man could reshape a region in 4 years, what can be said to be stopping us now?
In one.